Yep, it's time for part 2 of the Tower of Power. This time we're gonna tackle the Yamaha E-70 monster organ. Whew. So we're taking apart the organ in the hopes we can get it in pieces, drag it all the way through here, onto there, onto there. I think we're gonna die.
If I forget to pull the mains out all the time.
he was working on the power supply with the main still plugged in.
Why not?
we almost had a casualty. The first one for today. Yeah. So first we're gonna try to get the heavy bits out, such as the power supplies, the big speakers, all that good stuff, the Leslie. This is the first little power supply. This one is very lightweight, but the other one was absolutely super heavy. I think it was like 30 kilos on its own, being the same size.
Wat zit hier nog allemaal vast? Ik wil niet dat er nog van alles vast zit.
Look at that! Ah!
Ja. Maar als je het zo ziet zou je zeggen, hè, dat zou net niet lukken.
Ja,
dus uit die twee maten even...
Het is niet super groot.
Nee, het is veel bedrading.
Ja, die bedrading, dat is inderdaad een beetje een probleem. Sin begins.
Ja. I'm not responsible for any damage to the functionality of this instrument. He's the new owner. Ah ja, je bent nu de eigenaar. Ik ben de nieuwe owner, if you want it or not.
Oh god, what have I done?
Ah yes.
Sin.
He thinks he's gonna turn this thing into an instrument again. Yeah.
Is that a challenge?
It sure is. That's only one bundle. See, this is the analog rack.
I like these ones. This one especially. Look at this monster. This too.
It's a telephone.
Oh, look at this monster. Oh boy.
It's a telephone exchange.
Well, you know, Mark has a lot of extra space right now.
It was such a nice instrument. Now it's dead. Everything is grey. Zo.
This is
Nou, ik
really
er
nice.
wel uit.
Oh my god. Oh boy. We did it though. But wait, there's more. Yeah, trying to figure out how to make the Tower of Power. Yeah, we figured it out. Oh, the plan. It's in motion. We got the original wood.
Trimmed. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be sawn. Okay, with a big old hammer. Mark managed to get this loose, the glue. And now the last bit needs to be sawn. Yay. So this is the plan. We got the two pieces of wood separated with the nice vents. And
This would then be the back side.
yeah, you're currently viewing this from the back side, so this will be all access.
Will be
for
here on
racks.
this level, and on the other side the panels then come, the control panels.
Ja.
Dus als dat klemmetje weg is, dan kan hij perfect op het rek aansluiten inderdaad.
Yeah, so hey, aren't we lucky? Smooth as a baby's bottom.
Sorry?
Smooth as a baby's bottom.
Mooi, mooi, mooi. Ja.
Mensje. Yeah. It begins. Ta-da! It even has wheels now. 4 of them.
It's alive!
So after a lot of measuring and stuff, we managed to get the original brackets inside. Mark did some cutting to shorten these, because these of course were like 4 times as long. And we used the original side brackets. And yeah, it is super sturdy and it all checks out perfectly. Well, we got the bottom mount done. Mark enlarged 2 holes so we could reuse them, and I put it at the bottom here. So now what remains is the top bracket, and then the racks are perfectly solidly in place, and this thing is an absolute solid monster. As you can see, that's going to be the front panels. I'm going to have a little door at the bottom here. I've pre-fitted these screws, because now I can still hold my screwdriver straight. Won't be able to do that once this bracket is in place, like there.
Vintage, real vintage old shit. But then real old shit. Old.
Wat?
Wat eraf halen. Of aan één kant en dan dit nazien te doen.
Was wel heel veel extra werk.
Ja.
En dat vind ik niet nodig of zo. Oh, this is a compromising pose. Oh, come on. Pom, padom, 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 padom. Padom, padom.
Kom ik wel in de weg staan.
Oh,
it's big and as fellas like.
Yeah, just the way I like it.
Only has a rough build, of course, but it's sturdy.
Yeah, it's a tank. Yeah, well done. Good job, Mark.
Yeah, the rest is up to you.
Yeah, and now it's all the electronics.
Yeah,
all this crap.
You must now go ahead with it, because otherwise all the work was for nothing. Poor organ.
Yeah, I have
It's
to
a nice
jukebox
or the perfect hi-fi rack.
Yeah, exactly. Makes just as much noise, I hope. Yeah, it will. Cool. Well, it's time to load her up and, well, time to cry.
I'll be back to you. I'll get back to you in half a year or so.
Yeah, that's probably accurate. Yeah. Yep.
But that's the way you wanted it, so.
It sure is.